Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi and I work as a blockchain developer on multiple projects. Also, I make content over cooperative programming, DSA, and different topics which can be useful or which are useful for you working in corporate sector. Okay, so this video is something unique. Okay, you won't see this video normally in other YouTube channels which you follow. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can invest your initial savings, you can say, or initial earnings. Okay, your hard earned earnings, like which you get in your initial days as a fresher, working as a freelance, working as a intern or something. Okay, I'm not saying it is mandatory, obviously, right? I'm not saying it is mandatory because, like, if you want to live your life, if it is like बहुत कम money, then you can like live your life. Okay, if it is 5,000, 10,000, no need of investment. But if you have a significant amount of money, how you are going to invest it? Okay, putting in a bank and doing and like forget about it is like killing your money because in bank there the rate of interest is very low and that's why you are killing your money against inflation, right? So what I'm going to talk about in this video is how you can invest your money as a fresher in industry, as a freelancer, as an intern, or as a fresher in industry, so that you can get a significant rate of return over your money, and you are not or you will not kill your money in your bank account. Okay. So before starting this video, obviously, if like to invest money, you need to earn money, and to earn money, you need a job. So, if you haven't seen this Newton School Pay After Placement program, yet, what you can simply do, you can just go to newtonschool.co, explore about their Pay After Placement program, in which you don't need to pay even a single penny until and unless you get placed in any of the company below listed or any other company as well, and for minimum of 5 lakh CTC, no upfront fees. They will train you as a full stack developer, and not only this, after that they will also get you placed. If you want to contact them or register it to this program directly, you can get the link in description. And in the end, if you haven't followed or subscribed this YouTube channel, Coding Talk is Newton School, you can just go and subscribe this YouTube channel, Coding Talk is Newton School, where I'm putting these amazing videos for you only, for you as a fresher, freelancer, or intern in corporate sector, or obviously going to get in a corporate sector after some time. So let's start with today's video. I'm gonna talk about how you can invest your money in, like, why. Let's just talk about why you need to invest your money. Okay, because if you put your money in simply in your savings account, they will give you at most 5 to 6% interest, and you already know that inflation rate in our country is more than 6% or above 6%. So basically, if I say that your money is getting day by day, or you can say like you are killing your money in your bank account. So how to save your money from getting killed or getting depreciated due to inflation? So for that, you need to invest your money somewhere where you can get a little more rate of interest. I am obviously not talking about getting greedy over your money. Like if you have some significant amount of money and you get greedy and you just put in some policy or some 24 दिन में पैसा double scheme, and you get like frauded. Okay, you get a fraud over your whole complete amount of money. I'm not talking about that. I will only talk about trusted sources or trusted places where you can invest your money. And yeah, they all are trusted places. Now, one more thing is this in this complete video, all these things which I'm going to tell you is my opinion, okay, which I used to do to invest my savings or to invest my money every month, you can say. Okay, this is not something which I read from somewhere, or this is not something which I watched from some other video and making this video over this topic. Okay, so this is something which I used to do, which I still do. Okay, not used to, which I still do to invest my hard-earned money in some good SIPs or in some cryptos. Okay, let's just talk about that. So first thing you want, you need to have brokerage account. Okay, a brokerage account is something where you can buy or sell stocks which are listed over Indian stock markets, and also if that brokerage account is of Grow, if you have heard of that application, you can search Grow Zerodha. So if that brokerage account is of Grow, you can also like buy and sell mutual funds from that. Now, I'm not going to tell you many things or in too deep about mutual funds, stocks, anything, but I'm just going to tell you what are the fields in which you can invest. Okay, about different fields, or if you want to go in deep, you can ask me in comment section to make a deep video over every investment, and I'll make a separate video for that. So I'm gonna tell you the fields where you can invest or where you can get a significant amount of rate of return. Okay, so if you do not have much knowledge of stocks or listed stocks in our country, like if you do not have much knowledge of the stock market of our country, okay, and still you want to return rate of return from that stock market, or if you want to invest in stock market, you can go for some good in Nifty 50 companies either, okay, or some good stocks like Tata, Money. Okay, I'm not saying Adani. This is my personal opinion again. So Tata and Ambani. So this is the thing. Like you can go for Nifty 50 companies which are like in which government of India is also like investing and investing their thing. So like these companies are like top 50 performing countries of the nation, giving significant rate of return to the users. That's why you can trust over them. Now, next thing is if you feel little bit risk over investing in a stock market, okay, that's okay. I in my early days when I was not investing in anywhere, in those days I was also like little bit not feel secure to invest in a stock market. At that time, what I can do is I can search for some good mutual funds. Now, what are mutual funds? You can say there are some fund managers who are like managing those group of good stocks. Okay, if you are going for some mutual fund from IT corporate sector or IT industries, those that mutual fund will be having some group of stocks from IT industries, okay, or IT sector. If you are going for some blue chip stock and for large cap stock, if you are going for some large cap mutual fund, they will be having some companies which are having like large market cap. If you are going for small cap mutual funds, they will be having some companies which have a small market cap. Okay, so these are some technical terms. You don't need to go like in deep. If you want a deeper introduction video over this topic, you can ask me in comment section. I'll make that. But I'm giving you fields where you can invest. So those are like stock market where you can invest your money, but you need to have some experience and patience to invest your money over stock market. That can be Indian or that can be USA also. Okay. Second thing is mutual funds, where you can like do one-time investment, or you can do SIPs also. What are SIPs? SIPs are like recurring deposits which you deposit or invest every month, and you will get a rate of return over those whole money. Your invested money plus the rate of return. So it is something that has compound interest in it. Okay, so I'll talk about SIPs and mutual funds in a separate video. Right now, I'm gonna tell you some more fields where you can put your money. A less opinionated field can be crypto. Okay, but in my opinion, crypto is a good investment. Why? I'll tell you in a separate video right now, because I am only talking about the fields. So right now, crypto can be a good investment, but you need to track which cryptocurrencies are like stable in its place, in their places, and they have significant amount of market cap. Right? You need to track those. But crypto can be a good field of investment. Some more field of investments can be FDs and recurring deposits. But again, if you want like 100% surety then you can go for FDs and recurring deposits. But again, they will be giving you like 6 to 7% of interest only, and that can kill your money in against inflation. Okay, so these were some investment options for you. Like, for the first one was stock market, second one was mutual funds, that can be one time investment, or SIPs, both. Third can be your cryptocurrency, where you can put your money, but do not put your all money into crypto. Okay, you need to like invest a very little amount or very little section of your money over crypto. Why? Because you can't track crypto. Crypto is very volatile. That's why. I will talk about these things in a separate video. Then next is like FDs and recurring deposits. Then there are some others like US stocks and these things. So if you want to know like more about these things, how you can invest in your hard-earned money as a freshie in these sectors, you can ask me in comment section. I'll explain you in deep again in a separate video, or whether I will put separate videos for mutual funds, for stock market, for cryptos, those things. Okay, you can just ask me in comment section. um, Again, if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, and if you find the content of this YouTube channel like useful, you can subscribe this YouTube channel, go, give this link to your friends, ask them also to subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you haven't checked Nutanix School Pay After Placement program yet, you can just go to the link in description and get the most out of it. They are not charging you any upfront fees. You can get the registration link in the description. Thank you guys for watching this video.